Good job. And good morning.
Good morning
Yes, good morning. And have to say good morning in Hindu language.
in Hindi.
Hindi,
Hindi
yes.
language. It's called Shubh Prabhat.
Shubh Prabhat.
Shubh
Shubh
Prabhat.
Prabhat.
Yes.
Shubh Prabhat.
Yes.
Wow. In Mongolia, we say Ugloniment.
Oh, nice.
Yes, Ugloniment is like good morning, yes?
Okay.
Thank you. And then please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Akarsh. I am from India. I was born and brought up in Agra, the city of Taj Mahal. And then I did my graduation in journalism and filmmaking. I did my masters in the same. I have been working as a travel filmmaker and content producer for the last 8 years. As of now, as we speak, on 3rd of May 2024, I am working with Nas Daily, which is known for making short videos on unique people, places, and culture.
Wow.
I am here on a work trip, and I did not want to stay at the hotel. I really wanted to get a couch surfing experience, and I could not have gotten a better one.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
And uh, Crush. I
Yes.
want to say your name is in my Mongolian sound, Akrash.
Uh huh.
That's good, correct?
Yes, correct,
Good, thank
correct.
you. And then Akrash,
Yes.
nice to meet you, and thank you for your very nice introduction to you. Yes,
Thanks
and
to you.
yes, and then please, my second question is, how you are in Mongolia? Why
Mm-hmm.
you choose Mongolia on this trip? Thank you. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, as I said, I'm on this trip because of work. We are having a summit in Ulaanbaatar tomorrow. I think
Mm-hmm.
is today Friday.
Yes,
Yes. So
exactly.
tomorrow on Saturday we are having a summit in Mongolia. It's for content creators. So I'm
Wow.
here on a work trip, but I really like to meet with locals, spend time with them, eat with them, do all the activities together. So that's why I am here with you.
Wow, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
And my very final question,
Yes.
Karash, that is, what do you want to ask from our Mongolians,
Mm-hmm.
or do you have question to us?
Um, I do not have a question because I already asked you a lot of questions.
Wow.
I'm a very curious person, so I
Mhm.
kept asking you questions. But I do have one thing to say, which is um, the world now needs a lot more positivity, a lot more humanity, a lot more kindness than ever before. um, I think right now the situation is not so good, with wars and fightings happening all over the globe, and people like you are the reason why we can truly believe in humanity. So thank you so much. Please keep doing what you already are, and please, 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 keep making people who are like whoever is coming to Mongolia, please keep making their trips memorable. So thank you so much for all the love,
Wow,
kindness, and um, all the warm hospitality that you have given us. Please keep doing that.
wow. And I really appreciate what you said, Akarish, my crush.
Hmm.
Uh, Without you, it's never happened, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so please, I really like to say, to feel that love of the world
Yes.
humanity, always we should be ready. We should
Yes.
keep our that habit.
Yes.
And you are first. Please remember
Yes.
always. Yes,
Yes.
thank you.
For sure. For sure.
And then at the end of this very special hashtag Mongolia friend short video,
Mm-hmm.
I really want to ask you. Please tell your story, Mongolian story,
Mm-hmm.
in Hindi
In Hindi
language.
language.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. ओके सो बहुत टाइम से हिंदी बोला नहीं है, तो थोड़ा सा शायद मैं फंबल करूं, उसके लिए ऑलरेडी सॉरी। बहुत ही खूबसूरत देश है, पहली बात तो ये। मैंने यहाँ पर, मैं लास्ट टाइम आया नहीं था, मैं किर्गिस्तान में था, बट हमने 5 वीडियोस यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस करे थे, एंड मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मैं मिला, बात वगैरह करी, शूट्स वगैरह सब लाइन अप करे, सारा प्रोडक्शन देखा। तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे दोस्त बनाए, बहुत सारे, मतलब लाइक इन हंड्रेड्स। तो इस बार जब फिर से ये समिट हुआ जो हर साल अभी हमारा होता है, तो मैंने सोचा कि मतलब मुझे आना चाहिए मंगोलिया। मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ उन सब लोगों से। बी से को मैं पहले नहीं जानता था, मैं काउच सर्फिंग पे मिला, इस बार मिला। बट वो भी एक अपने आप में एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा एक्सपीरियंस है। यहाँ पर आने के बाद में ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैं किसी लाइक अपने घर से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर हूँ। या फिर एक जो फीलिंग होती है आप किसी नई कंट्री में आते हो तो लगता है कि सब कुछ अलग है, ऐसा मुझे लगा ही नहीं। जो कि मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही यूनिक फीलिंग है। ये या तो तभी होती है जब आप किसी देश में आप 2, 3, 4 बार जाते हो, या फिर कोई ऐसा देश जो आपको अपने जैसा लगता है। मुझे लगता है कि शायद दूसरा ऑप्शन ज़्यादा मेरे लिए रिलेटेबल है। आई रियली फील लाइक होम इन मंगोलिया। एंड
Wow,
यस,
wow. Thank you for your sounds and words in Hindi language.
थैंक यू सो मच,
Wow.
थैंक यू सो
And then
मच
have
फॉर
to say
हैविंग मी।
thank you in Hindu language.
धन्यवाद,
Dhanyawad.
धन्यवाद,
Yeah, Dhanyawad.
शुक्रिया।
Shukriya. Wow. And then I really appreciate and have a good day in Mongolia.
हैव अ गुड डे,
And
थैंक यू,
also good luck to your tomorrow's summit.
थैंक यू सो मच,
Yes.
थैंक यू
Wow.
सो मच।